Nom nom nom. I think that's what a cow feels like. Fun. You should try it. Maybe what a horse feels like. Oh yeah, I just ate some moringa. Feel it. It's already nutrifying my body. I'm even getting more energy, and you guys know how energetic I get. But the energy, it's coming on. All right, what's up, everyone? That's the little sweet kitty down there. Every time she walks around, she sounds like a horse. Like somehow she makes these huge sounds when she's walking on the wood chips. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like moringa and if you like my garden, give me a big green thumbs up right now before we get this video started. So this is the intensive bed. Today is September 24th. And if you remember, just a little while ago, I harvested this whole bed and it was bare. And now it's back. And it's back big. Look at me next to this bed now. I mean, it's way above my head. It really hasn't been that long since I chopped this whole thing down and we made powder in that big dehydrator right there. And we got almost 2 pounds of powder, fresh leaves. We got 6 pounds of fresh leaves. The cool thing is the next harvest on this bed is gonna get more than 6 pounds of fresh leaves because everywhere that I cut it, it branched 2 to 3 branches up. So now I'm gonna show you the bed and show you where I cut these things and how full this thing is. It's like an actual forest. If you planted a whole bunch of these, you would have so much moringa. And I'm using my moringa right now for something special that I'm gonna be releasing here very soon. I'm gonna be releasing it on the October 27th Sunny Slope Open Studio Tour. So I hope you can show up and come check out Stonehaven. And I am gonna be cleaning the place up so it's gonna look really good for everybody when they come over. I got a lot of stuff scattered right now, but I'm doing a lot of projects at one time. But now, getting everything cleaned up, getting it ready for the tour. And I am using my moringa, not for powder to eat, for me. I'm using my moringa to make a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer for your fruit trees. And it'll actually work really great, even if they're not fruit trees. But I'm gonna specify with fruit trees because I know moringa will really help your fruit trees grow. It's gonna be a fermented moringa concentrate fertilizer with added rock dust and made with rainwater. Okay, so I'm gonna make it with the best water possible. So it's working right now, I'm making it. It's being made in those 55-gallon drums right there. I got this, I just put gutters on the house because it rained a little bit. So I got a nice long gutter up here now. And I have a rain barrel, so I have to get like something that comes down to make it stick in here. But now I'm collecting all the water that I get as much as possible from the roof, and I'm going to use that to make the fertilizer so we have a nice, healthy water that makes the base of this fertilizer, plus with moringa. It's gonna be amazing. So you're gonna be able to use it as a foliar feed, and you're also gonna be able to use it as a root drench. It's gonna be called Stonehaven Green Gold Fruit Tree Maximizer. And it's gonna be able to either be used as a foliar feed or a root drench. So you're gonna have a concentrate, and there's 5 capfuls in 1 ounce. So 1 capful you will mix with 1 gallon of water for foliar application. And 1 ounce you will mix with 5 gallons of water for a root drench. So an 8-ounce bottle of it will actually root drench 8 of your fruit trees. And you only have to root drench, the more you root drench, the better, but once every 3 months for a root drench. And if you did it once a year, it's gonna benefit your tree. But that takes a whole ounce. So you got 8 trees in 1 little jug. And then if you foliar feed with it, you're gonna have so much foliar, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna last you all year, probably a couple years, because you only use 1 capful, and there's 5 capfuls in 1 ounce. So that is the plan. That's what I'm doing. If it's so nutrient dense for us to eat, it is so nutrient dense for plants to eat. And I'm gonna be sending the fertilizer to the lab. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have all the lab testing done before October 27th, but I'm gonna be using this fertilizer, and I'm gonna be inviting you to try it with me and let me know what you think about it. And it's gonna have a really special launch price. So stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna be letting all of you come in on the deal, but everybody that comes to the Sunny Slope Open Studio Tour on October 27th is gonna have an opportunity to be the first ones to get their hands on the Stonehaven Green Gold. So, and I have a very limited run, and it actually takes about 2 months to make. So I'm gonna be running out of this stuff in the very beginning of this process, perfecting, making it the best organic fertilizer that you're ever gonna be able to find. So that's what I'm doing, that's in my plan, and I can't wait to share it with all of you. So now I'm gonna show you the little close-up of my forest. Check it out. This is even taller than it was when I harvested it the first time. It shot up, and if you notice, this is the front of the bed here. So these moringas are outperforming, this moringa in particular is outperforming even the ones in the back that remained there over winter. But they're almost tied. They're pretty much tied. But those were the ones that lasted over winter, the handful on the end. And these were all the ones that started just from seed. I'm not really exactly sure how long ago I planted these seeds, but I'm gonna show you right now. This is how long it took from seed. And then this is how long it took from the last harvest to get back to this level. So moringa is a very hardy plant. So let's check this out in here. Look at the little girl just relaxing. You're so relaxed, baby girl. Oh, hey, sweetie. What are you doing? What is it? You're such a good girl, honey. Okay, back to moringa. Look at this. So this is, you can see down here on this one. Here's where I topped it. I got 2 really big branches come up out of this one. Let's see this one here. Yep, topped right there. Got 2 nice big thick branches coming out of that one. Look how thick that trunk's getting already. That was a seed not too long ago. These trees grow so fast. I mean, look at that. It just looks like a forest. It's just pretty cool. No matter where you look in this place, you can't even see through it. And it's only a 8-foot long bed. And it's totally packed in there. You can see right here that I harvested a whole bunch of the branches right there, you know, and then I tried to do a little weave here, see what happens when it grows together. Just all experiments we're doing here at Stonehaven. But I'm just amazed at how fast these trees grow. And then a little special sneak peek surprise. Check out Campfire Moringa Go. You saw just a little while ago, that thing was chopped down again. They love to be harvested, and then they love to grow back. It is taller than this line right now. And it wasn't that long ago that I actually chopped this whole thing down. You can see what I did to Hawaii. I chopped Hawaii down and made more green gold fruit tree maximizer out of it. I'm making it right now. But look at Maui, just totally cut down. But when you see right in here, boom, there's life everywhere happening. Now Maui definitely took a lot longer to sprout any of these red pimples than Campfire took. Oh no, this isn't Maui, this is Hawaii. But once Hawaii starts popping, it's gonna grow really, really fast. So Campfire just started sprouting like right away. It's already been a few weeks since I chopped this one down. But look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Insane. But back to the intensive bed, because that's what this video is about. I mean, I'm just amazed by it. It's so, I don't know, it makes me so happy. There's so much energy in this yard. It's a spiritual place for me. This is such a magical place for me, guys. Stonehaven is a spiritual experience for me. It's a spiritual place. That's why it's called Stonehaven. It's a haven. It's a place that I'm creating my space. I'm taking my space and saying, what do I want my space to look like? What would inspire me the most to be most creative and most productive with my day and my life? And that's what Stonehaven is for me. Stonehaven is a place for people to come relax and enjoy life and get some experiences and learn about trees and try to eat some trees and hang out with cool people. This is what Stonehaven is all about. It's more than just a garden. It's a spiritual experience. So if you're asking yourself right now, when is my garden gonna go in? Tell yourself right now that it's gonna go in right now. Now is the time. Now has always been the time. If you're struggling with anything in your life right now, maybe get some real therapy with some real people too, but let plants be a therapist. Let them help you through things that are going on in your life. And that's what these moringas have done for me. This is why I'm so connected. First off, to moringas, but ultimately to all trees and plants and the earth. It's just so exciting to me that we actually have an opportunity to be oxygen producers, not just food producers, oxygen producers. Moringas eat so much like carbon and like release so much oxygen. They're a very high vibration tree. If you guys, know anything about frequencies and stuff, I guarantee if we measure the frequency of a moringa, it's gonna be super high. But it's a very, very good tree, and just, I know maybe you guys think I'm weird right now talking like this, but just allow plants to help you with whatever you're doing, with whatever's going on. If you're in an apartment, grow something that you can grow. Have one plant. Find out how to have a green thumb, because plants are magical. And when you surround yourself with plants, it's a magical experience. So that's my challenge for you guys today. Let me know if you're up for the challenge, that you are gonna plant something. That's the challenge. Go out and plant something. Tell me what you're gonna plant in the comments. Watch it grow, take care of it, create the microclimate for your plant to grow. Same with us. Create the microclimate for us to grow in the world. And how do you create your own microclimate? By finding your passion and by doing something about it. Taking action on your passion. That should be a rap song. Taking action on your passion. But anyways, love you guys, and I know you got this. So if you want, I've never asked you to do this before, but say this after me. Say this right now, stop what you're doing, and say something out loud. Use your vocal cords and say, I got this. I got this. I got this, because you got it. You got it. Whatever your passion, your dream is, if you have a question, if you need any encouragement, reach out. I love to encourage, but you got this. Whatever your this is my this. Find your this, and Moringa might be able to help you. Love you guys. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. Thank you so much to all my Patreons. Really means the world to me. And to all my new Patreons who haven't sent me their address yet, send me your address. Message me your address so I can get you out some shades. And thank you so much for becoming my Patrons. I really appreciate you guys for supporting me. And if you haven't done it already, which you probably should have done this already, but if you haven't done it already, hit the like button right now. Give me a big green thumbs up. And it's not green. I know. Some people tell me, hey, it's a blue thumbs up button. But I like green things. And so that's why I say green. But hit that blue thumbs up button and give me a green thumbs up. One of these days, they're probably going to change the little thumbs up button to where you can actually have like blue, green, yellow, black, white, all those like other colors, but right now there's only blue. If you guys know how to talk to YouTube and let them know that we should get a green thumbs up, just for Develop Awesome Skills, guys. Nobody else needs this green thumbs up. I'll take it. All right, well, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And go out, plant your own moringa, plant your own trees. If you're in a cold climate, grow something inside. Get around trees. Allow the trees to show you their wisdom. Allow them to show you how they grow, and try to tie that in metaphorically to your life and how you grow. There's a lot of cool metaphors, a lot of cool comparisons, and a lot of cool human growth that is done observing plant growth. So, love you guys, and until next time, develop awesome skills.